Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run an accessibility check in your presentation on Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your presentation and select the Review tab at the top. On the left side, or close to the left, right above Accessibility, it should say Check Accessibility. Go ahead and select that, and then select Check Accessibility. And if there's any issues found, they should be reported over here on the right. And you can keep it running while you work by keeping that check marked, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.